Okay. Departmental trading and profit loss account. Departmental trading and profit loss account. Write down particular Department A, Department B, total. In particular, opening stock, Department A 40,000, Department B 20,000. Closing stock 60,000, 80,000. Purchases 2 lakh, 3 lakh. Manufacturing expenses 40,000, 20,000. Carriage inward, in total you write 10,000. Total column you write 10,000. Salaries, in total you write 1 lakh. Discount allowed, in total you write 40,000. Bad debts 10,000. Total. Insurance 10,000. Insurance 50,000. Accountancy charges 10,000. 50,000. Insurance 50,000. Accountancy charges 10,000. Legal expenditures 5,000. Carriage outward in total 20,000. Sales is given. Sales A 4 lakh, B 5 lakh. Adjustments, number of employees. First one, number of employees. Department A 4, B 2. Second one, accountancy charges and insurance, accountancy charges and legal expenditures not allocated to any department. Not allocated to any department. Next one, interdepartmental transfer. Interdepartmental transfer A to B rupees 10,000. B to A, same content. B to A 5,000. Service rendered, next adjustment. Service rendered from A to B 20,000. Right? Next, for calculation of ratios. Interdepartmental transfer. Interdepartmental transfer not included. Not included. INCLUDD not included. See, so this is preparing departmental trading and profit loss account. So you know this already. Don't write now. This is department A. This is department B. Particulars. Here department B. Department A. This is also particulars, right? Don't write. Stop writing now. So this we are preparing departmental trading and profit loss account. Both we are preparing, right? Upper part trading part, lower part profit loss account. That we know. So we have separate amount for department A and department B. That is to open stock.
Yes, sir.
We have how much on?
40,000.
40,000.
20,000.
Purchase given up.
Yes, sir.
To purchase how much of?
2 lakh, 3 lakh.
2 lakh.
3 lakh.
Right? So total amount of both the departments I am writing. Next we have manufacturing expense, right?
Yes, sir.
Also I am writing. That is also trading account, right?
Yes, sir.
That is also trading account. To manufacturing expense how much of?
40,000, 20,000.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Next we have carriage inward. Total is given up.
Yes, sir.
Carriage inward is total. I should bifurcate A and B, right?
Yes, sir.
That amount. First one is only. First one is okay. How to allocate? So carriage inward total giving, right? We need ratio. Which ratio? What is your why? Not given. Then how to allocate? I should allocate equally, yeah? Equally. And that they are telling, then what is the meaning of carriage inward? Carriage inward.
Expenses incurred in the conversion of raw materials to
That is that expenditures. Conversion of raw material to finished goods called as
transportation.
transportation expenditure paid for unloading of raw material, unloading of purchase. Carriage inward means what? Transportation paid for purchase, right? What we purchase, for that we are paying as carriage inward. So which ratio? That expense incurred for what, ma? Not getting that. Then you are not getting total departmental accounts. Because of purchase we paid, right? Because of purchase we paid carriage inward. So I should allocate based on factor for that is purchase only, right? We need what? Purchase ratio. We need purchase ratio. So how much we are purchasing? 2 lakh. So then the ratio becomes, if I cancel 0, 0, 2 is to 3, right? 2 is to 3. 2 by 5, 3 by 5. Correct? I said, first you think for expenditure, for what has it incurred? That expenditure incurred, right? Carriage incurred because of purchase. So carriage inward 2 is to 3, right? 2 by 5 to total of how much of? 4,000. Then 6,000. Next what? Salary. That is paid account. So we have closing stock, right? We have sales and we have closing stock. That's what I am writing. By sales, how much they are giving? 4 lakh. 5 lakh. Then stock also there, right? By closing stock, how much of?
60,000, 80,000.
60,000.
80,000.
If closing stock not given, don't write. Don't think that is wrong question. That is also correct. But what is the meaning of that? We sold everything. You don't have any closing stock. So before 3 years, I know some girls is asking, sir, question paper is wrong. What wrong? I asked. She said, and that closing stock is not here. Is it wrong? So we sold everything. That's why we don't have anything, right? So that's why closing stock is not there. So why I solved this problem? Because of the one more adjustment is given. So from A to B something is given, right?
Yes,
Very
sir.
important. You concentrate this word. A to B, interdepartmental transfer. A to B, right? A to B. See, A to B. A is giving, B is receiving. For B, inflow. For A, outflow. Outflow, where we are writing? Here or there? Which is going out, where we are writing? Here. Sales, where we are writing? Going out, we are writing, right? Something they transfer, goods transferred in between department A to B. A to B is what? A to B means what? B is purchasing, correct, right? Correct, huh? A to B is what? B is purchasing. A is selling. Is that clear? For one person it becomes inflow, for one person it becomes outflow. Correct, huh? I am writing both the sides, right? To interdepartmental transfer. A to B. A to B. Here B is the receiver, right? A to B. B is the receiver. That means B is purchasing. B is purchasing. Not getting it? What's the word?
Nothing.
Sure, huh?
Yes, sir.
A to B means what? B is receiver, right? B is purchasing. Purchase where we are writing? Debit side, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that's what I should write. B purchasing. How much now? 10,000, huh? Correct, right? A is selling, right? Sales where we are writing? Writing here. By interdepartmental transfer. A to B, huh? Huh? A to B. B is purchasing, A is selling, right? Sales I should write. How much now?
10,000.
Here, bill. Correct, huh? Is it correct? A to B. B is purchasing, A is selling. Sales I am writing in credit side, purchase I am writing in debit side. Is that clear? Any doubt? Because of this, I solved this question. Rest I solved everything in the department accounts. I completed everything. This is missing. Any doubt? Some more we have. B to A, right? Interdepartmental transfer. B to here what meaning of? A is purchasing. Correct, right? So A is purchasing how much now?
5,000.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
So I am writing interdepartmental transfer. B to A. Correct, huh? Next to B to A purchasing, B is selling, right? B to A meaning what? Who is the receiver? Who is the purchaser? Correct, huh? Purchaser should write where, ma? A is purchaser, right? Who is the seller? B. Where should write? Credit side. I wrote in B column, right? Correct, huh? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Don't get confused. In this, you are getting total confusion in exam also. Which is selling, which is purchasing, you concentrate. A to B. B is the purchaser, A is the seller. Correct, right? B to A. A is the purchaser, B is the seller. Correct, right? Correct, one?
Yes, sir.
Now, service, right? Service we are writing in profit loss account, not in trading account. Service means what? We are writing in profit loss account, not in trading accounts. That's why I am writing. So maybe trading account is completed, right? Next, all expenditure are profit loss account, huh? That's why. So this is completion, right? Now I should close first department A. How much cost? Total how much? 4,70,000, yeah?
Yes, sir.
4,70,000. Here also 4,70,000 minus this, right? Anyone fast? 2,89,000.
1,81,000. 81,000.
like it over. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct one.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is subtract all you get this. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Now departmental B, this side is more. This side is more, right? 5 lakh. 5,000 है ना?
5,85,000.
This is 5,000, right?
Yes, sir.
5 lakh.
85,000.
Subtract this. Cross.
2,38,000.
2 lakh.
38,000.
Is it correct? No. Not 2 lakh 38. 2 lakh. Name is correct. Check once. To add, you should get this one. 585,000. You getting, huh? Correct, right? If you want carry, you write purchase ratio, right? What ratio? Purchase ratio. This is correct one, no?
Yes, sir.
Don't waste my time. That is recording, huh? No doubt, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, we have profit and loss account expenditures. What is first one? Salaries, huh? Salary is allocated based on sales, huh? Not thinking only, huh? Simply you are telling, huh? Salary we are giving based on how many workers in A? 4. B? 2. So 4 is to 2 means what? 2 is to 1, huh? 4 is to 2 means what? Simplification 2 is to 1, right? Is also correct. 4 is 6 also correct. I am telling simply when I am telling.
2
2
is to
is to 1, right? If you want to write 4 is to 2 also, I will write 2 is to 1. Number of employees, right? Number of employees. 2 by 3 into total amount. 2 by 3 into total amount. 66,000. And that's 7. Remaining total amount 1 lakh is one, huh?
Yes, sir.
Total 1 lakh.
Yes, sir.
33,333, huh?
Yes, sir.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
What next? Discount. Which ratio? Discount is giving for what? Sales to sales, right? Because of sales we are giving discount, so we need sales ratio. Sales ratio 4 is to 5. Sales ratio 4 is to 5. 4 by 9 into total amount. Someone calculate fast. 700. 70. 7.
Yes, sir.
Next to
8, sir.
whatever 8 or 7. Next what? 22,000 to 23. Correct, right? I should write 0. Correct, right? If you are adding, you get total amount. Next what? Bag is also because of sales, right? We sold something our customer without cash. They are not giving call as what? Bad debts. 2 bad debts. How much? Let's go for this. My
Yes, sir. 4,444. 444.
44, huh?
Yes, sir.
This one? 5,000. 60.
56.
Next to insurance. Insurance. Why you are giving? Insurance, why, ma?
If some loss occurs, we can cover
Stock,
it.
right? Because of stock we are giving, right? Because of stock. So we need stock ratio. What stock ratio? 60, 80. So 4040 cancel. 6 is to 8. 3 is to 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
3 is to
That
4.
stock, sir.
No. Stock, what we are having. In Board we have stock, right? For that we are giving insurance. That is opening stock last year. So what we have on the end, for that we are giving insurance. So for closing stock value ratio, insurance, closing stock, right? This one now? 6. 3 is to 4, 3 is to
4.
closing stock ratio 3/7 into
50,000.
how much of
21,428.
29 5 is given, 5 is coming
28.5.
Next to department B 28,571. Correct next what? That we are not allocated any department, right? Why means what? We are appointing accountant for both the departments, not separate. So I have the owner, right? Why I should use separate amount for A department B? So I need total. So tax is paid on total transactions, not separate. One is the same. So I am keeping one accountant, right? That's why we are not allocated any accountant charge to each department. Legal also we are giving total, not separate. So that's why that we are not writing. And that they are telling, right? Accountancy charges and legal expenditure
Not allocated to any department.
If giving or without giving, don't allocate any department. These two are compulsory. Don't allocate any department because they are not giving total. Sorry, separate. They are giving total amount. What next?
Carriage outward.
Outward. Sales, right?
Yes, sir.
Carriage outward because of sales. Sales ratio.
Legal expenditure is not
Amount is
allowed.
said now. Accountancy charges and legal expenditure not allocated to any department because we are giving totally, not separate. Owner is giving totally, not separate. And so we are not allocating. So carry over now. Sales ratio what one we have? 4:5, right? 4/9 into total amount
8,888.
88, 5 11,000 11,000 101 triple one correct, right? Next what? Sales. So here we are writing what one by this is what? 2 gross profit carried out, right? By
Sir, 8,889.
89
Yes, sir.
correct
Yes, sir.
by gross profit brought down how much of 1,81,000
1,29,000.
See, maybe I am in last position, right? Lots of profit check this total department A total service render is there one more I am missing. I said now service render is there, right? Service render we are allocating in profit loss account, not in trading account. What they are telling A to B or what? Say A to B is what? B is purchasing, right? B is purchasing. B I should write how much of? 20,000 now. 20,000, right? By inter-departmental transfer A to B. A is selling, right? 20,000. Correct? Now total of departmental A total how much debit side? 1,19,000. This is all. Then here is more, right? Correct, ma? So I am getting profit only. So I should close first here 1 lakh. No, 1,81,000 plus 20. 2,01,000, right side 1,81,000. This also right side, right?
Yes, sir.
This is A, this is B, correct, ma?
Yes, sir.
1,81,000 plus this 20, 2,01,000. So 2,01,000 minus this, you will get net profit. How much of? 81,000.
700.
794. Now departmental B total. This total, let us say total. This all. There also I am getting profit on the baby. this one from this up to here.
It's getting 1,20,000.
Debit side, So same here also profit position, right? 2,29,000. So this is subtract this all now.
1,08,000.
1,08,000. 2 not. So this is departmental what? Trading and profit account. So we are not writing accountancy charge, right? That I am writing now. So if in question they are asking general profit and loss account. General profit and loss account. I am writing here. So both I am getting profit, right? Profit now I am getting now. Our profit now. Total together. Very net profit how much is there now? A plus B total together. Total AB profits.
1,90,000.
1 lakh
1,90,000.
correct, right?
Yes, sir.
1,90,000 both amounts are including. Now I paid total accountancy charges and legal expenses, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, Amma? I
Yes,
said
sir.
total I am paying, right? Total I am paying. Now this much I am having profit. Now I should pay accountancy charges and
Legal
correct,
expenses.
now I am paying to accountancy charges. How much now? More now?
10,000.
Legal
5,000.
5,000. So again 1,90,000. 1,90,000 to net profit
1,25,000.
correct? Any doubt? So this completes your departmental accounts. I solved everything. Correct?